Good morning, students. Class 6. Now this is your English language class. Open your book and take your notebook. Chapter 18. Subject verb agreement. Now follow the sentences. Number 1. The list of items is on the desk. Number 2. There is a cricket on the windowsill. Number 3. There are 5 flowers in the vase. 4. C and I are collecting shells on the beach. Here the subject and verb all are of different kinds in the 5 sentences. In the sentence, the list of the items. List of the items. Here the subject is the list. The list means one list, not the items. It is plural. Items. How many list is there? There is only one list. So verb must be followed as singular subject. That is the is. Though you are often confused that subject will be either is or are. Items, it is also noun. It is very close to the subject, to the verb position. But still, the subject is list. This is called verb is away from the subject. Verb is away from the subject. Okay? In the second sentence, there is a cricket on the windowsill. Here, cricket means not the game. One type of insect. Here you look, that is the there. There is followed by is and are both. This there is called the introductory there. It has no meaning. Only it is used to form the sentences. There will be followed by is or are. It depends on the subject. That is the real subject. A cricket. How many cricket? Means how many insect is there? That is only one cricket. One cricket is on the windowsill. So there is followed by is. In number 3rd sentence, there are 5 flowers in the vase. You look this sentence here. There is followed by are because the real subjects are 5 flowers. Okay. In the next sentence, C and I are collecting shells on the beach. When two singular subject is joined with a conjunction and the subject is plural. So C only one person and I on another person. They are joined by conjunction and. So the total subject are 2. That is the verb also plural. That is I. Next, take the notes on. Take the notes on. That is, I have given you some information when the subject is singular and the subject is plural and according their verb. When subject joined with, that means with, along with, together with, as well as, verb always follows first subject. when there are number of more than one subject, but they are joined with, along with, together with, as well as. You may be confused. Subject are singular or plural. Which one? Or verb will be in what sense? Subject singular verb or plural verb. That is, in each and every case, the verb will be according to the first subject. Suppose the ship with its crew. Crew means the people working in the ship. Okay, so the ship, how many ships is there? There is only one ship. But people, they are so many. So are working together in the ship. But the subject, as the first subject, it is the ship, only one ship. So its verb will be singular. Was lost, not were lost. Okay, Lina as well as I exercises daily. You generally know that I is singular in sense, but it always follow the plural subject. I, generally the English is I exercise daily, Lina exercises daily. But when the both subjects are joined with as well as, then the verb will be according to Lina. Lina is third person singular number, so the verb will add on with a s or es. Next, each, every, one of the, none of, neither, either. These are always singular in sense, so they will have only a singular verb. Example, neither of the students is in the class. Neither of the students. It seems that students are the subject, but not that. The subject is, real subject is neither of. Neither of. Students is not the subject. So the verb is. One of the girls plays piano. One of the girls. That means not the all girls. Not the all girls talking about. Okay. So one of them plays piano. Similarly, many, a few, several, both, plural in sense. Plural in sense. So they are always plural subject. Example, a few of these women are rich. Are rich. A few of these women are rich. Name of a country. Name of a country, any book, any film, a dozen. Name of any subject, disease, distance, height, period of time, amount of money, a pair of clothing, furniture, scenery, stationery, much, a little, news, advice, information, gymnastics. These words are always singular. So therefore will be singular verb. Collective noun may be both singular or plural, singular or plural, depending on the usage. Depending on the usage. Now your homework is all the things in your school notebook of English language and solve out A and B in the notebook. Thank you.